Hello friends, today is October 6, World Cerebral Palsy Day. This day is to create awareness among people about cerebral palsy. What is cerebral palsy? Cerebral palsy is a term used to describe a group of brain disorders that affect movement, posture, and balance. The term cerebral is used because the disorder impacts the brain. The term palsy is used to describe weakness or muscular problems. In short, cerebral palsy or CP is a group of motor conditions that causes physical disability in development, primarily in various areas of body movement. It is caused by damage to the developing brain's motor control centers. It may be due to the brain injury or problem that occurring during pregnancy or birth or within the first 2 to 3 years of a child's life. There are different kinds of cerebral palsy. People affected with cerebral palsy may have other associated conditions such as respiratory difficulties, digestive issues, vision impairments, hearing impairments, etc. Cerebral palsy is chronic but not life-threatening. It is not contagious, but it is incurable. It is manageable, but it is permanent. How can we manage cerebral palsy? By physiotherapy, occupational therapy, speech and language therapy, oral medication, recreational therapy, surgery. All these can be used to manage cerebral palsy. Is there any prevention for cerebral palsy? Yes, cerebral palsy can be prevented by the prevention of brain injury and by vaccination. Also, avoid alcohol, drugs, smoking during pregnancy. Treat illness and viral infection. The main characteristics of cerebral palsy are cognitive impairments, difficulty swallowing, speech impairment, lack of muscle control, deficiency in sensation. You should know all these basic information to understand cerebral palsy and to understand people with cerebral palsy. How should we treat people with cerebral palsy? Speak with them. Offer a hand of friendship. Speak with them as you would with any other adult. Speak directly to them. Avoid leaning on their wheelchair. Listen attentively, especially if they have difficulty speaking. If you need to talk about their cerebral palsy, refer to them as a person with cerebral palsy. Love and care them. Understand their abilities. Consider them as normal human beings. They have unique talents. Ensure proper therapies, treatments, and medications for persons with cerebral palsy. They should not be mistreated. People with cerebral palsy are always loving, caring, and happy. They always try to make us happy, so it's our responsibility to make them happy. Do not exclude them from your day-to-day activities or celebrations. They are the best ones to enjoy with you. On this day, let's spread awareness about cerebral palsy among our friends, relatives, and neighbors. Happy Cerebral Palsy Day! Thank you for listening with Peace Club, Assumption College Autonomous, Changanasheri.